We know you want to look good, anytime, anywhere. What if you could have just one pair of shoes and get 5 different styles in seconds? All the styles in our pocket, ready to be switched at any time. Introducing the MAGWALK, the only pair of shoes that you will ever need. Your MAGWALKs come with 5 different styles and a portable pocket case to carry your essentials. It's extremely compact. It feels invisible. Keep all your styles with you and take them wherever you go. Walk smart every single day. Designed for multiple occasions, MAGWALK is the perfect stylish addition to your look. Level up your business attire. Walk to the office or hold a meeting in confidence with our monk strap. Chilling in the library or drinking your morning coffee in your favorite spot has never been more easy. Attach the tassel and get instantly stylish. Evenings hangout? Our chain edition is a great choice for a romantic dinner or a night out with your friends. A super versatile pair of shoes that you can wear all day long without sacrificing style. We came up with an upgraded comfort, astounding design, and great innovation. Flexible, recycled, and lightweight sole. Multiple sizing elastic and memory foam to mold on your feet. That's not all. Meet our patented innovation, the MAG System technology. The strongest magnet created to hold your back for any impact. At Galliard, we never stopped. Our team has remarkable experience, and we are ready for what's coming next. Starting from the production and the raw materials, our products are handcrafted by talented artisans and ethically made. After many trials, our revolutionary concept is now ready for production. Make your style stand out among everyone else. We hope you like surprises. New designs unlock soon. One pair of shoes for all your daily needs. Get your MAGWALKs right now